How to cancel order on Depop. So first of all, you have to open up Depop either on the application or through the website and make sure to log into your account. After you log in, you have to go to your profile, and under your profile page, you have to tap on your shopping bag icon at the bottom to access your purchases. And after that, you have to select the order that you want to cancel. Here, if the seller has not shipped the item yet, you should see an option to cancel the order, so tap on order. But in case if the seller has already marked the item as shipped, then you will not be able to cancel the order directly through the application or through the websites. So in that case, you have to contact the seller directly. You can contact the seller via the Depop's messaging system. Ask if they can cancel or stop the shipment. If they have not sent the package yet, they might be able to help you. But if the seller has already shipped the item, you will need to wait for the item to arrive it. Once you have received the item, then you can request a refund by contacting the seller or opening a dispute if necessary, and based on Depop's policies. And after that, following the instructions, you can return the item to Depop's. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.